In this video, I will show you how to get PayPal money off hold instantly. Once you are on home page of the app, you will see all the payments that have been made. Scroll through the payments. Tap here See All to see the payments that have been made. Look for one that is on hold, so tap on the payment to see the payment details. The one we need is this, is one named Add Tracking Number. It has the icon of a truck. You may be required to enter your password for security reasons. Enter your password. After that, log in by tapping on this button named Login. Tap on this page where you can enter tracking information so that your customer can track the status of order. Tap on the first drop-down menu here. Under the order status, there are different options such as shipper, in process, hold, return, and order process. Choose the right one for the order status. After that, move to this next field and enter the tracking number. Finally, go to search carrier option and tap on it. You will get a list of all the different couriers available. Look for the one you have used. After you are done entering and verifying the information is correct, tap here Submit and the information will be shared with both the customer and PayPal. The funds will be available to you immediately in case the product is digital or does not require tracking information. Tap on this checkbox named Tracking Information Not Required. Submit the information and after that the funds will be available to you. This is how to get PayPal money off hold instantly.